Hello friends! Today we are visiting the Kanlica district in Istanbul, Turkey together. Kanlica is a famous and historical district of Beykoz district of Istanbul. It is famous for its calmness, history, green nature, bosphorus view and yogurt. The view is fascinating and the yogurt is absolutely delicious. You can easily reach by ferry. You should definitely see the Mirabat Grove. It has one of the best views. There are running tracks, playgrounds, recreation areas, seating areas, buffets, and restaurants in the grove. There are many plant and tree species such as pistachio pines, sycamore trees, ergivans, cypresses in the grove. This grove, Sultan II. It was presented as a confrontation to Ruki Hanım, the daughter of Egyptian Abbas Halim Pasha, by Nasib Hanım, the wife of Sadella Pasha, Abdelhamid's ambassador to Berlin. This green area, reminiscent of a small forest. It is known as the best place to watch the wonderful view of Ortaki Beach, İstini Bay and Rumeli Fortress, in addition to these beautiful views of Istanbul. Fatih Sultan Mehmed Bridge is waiting for the visitors of the protection with all its glory. This grove, which used to host the sultans and their guests, now contains great activities. It is ideal for breakfast with a view of the Bosphorus at the weekend. It is a very good choice for weddings and invitations. I think you should definitely come here. See you soon, bye!